episode. I'm already on the chart to look out for a trading opportunity. So right now, looking at the charts, I can't. This 15-minute time frame. I can't find what I normally think on this. Yeah, I can't find it. I can't find this. Let me check out the USD. On odd USD, I can't find what I trade to on odd USD. So this is GCUSD. GCUSD is the same story. NSD USD the same story too. So like moving forward, today is Wednesday. It is possible that as for Monday, I don't even check the 15 minutes time frame. Like this particular strategy, it's possible for me to just stop using it completely. Like stop using it completely. I can't really find the setup for days. So it means that I will be focusing more on 1 hour time frame, 5 minutes execution, and also based on my observation as well. I will still need to consider for us like it's going to be a kind of top down analysis from 4 hours to 1 hour, then to 5 minutes for execution, and that's what I will be basically focusing on for now, and that's what is actually giving me the results I want. So I'm going to switch to 1 hour time frame to see if at all we are going to find any taking opportunity today at this moment. If not, then I will still be on the chart rather. So I check my chart almost every hour. Like just once in a while, I keep on checking the chart to see what's going on in the market. It's not really like I keep on checking chart. So if I have any opportunity, then it will be easier for me to execute. The only thing that seems like a bit stressful is the aspect of waiting for a confirmation to form. Like I just try to be on the chart, looking at the chart from time to time, so that I don't miss out on once the confirmation is actually formed. So sometimes I will need to like open one chart on my tab, open another chart on my phone, checking the two at the same time, just to make sure. Maybe I have two pairs actually observing, just to make sure that I don't miss out on the opportunity. This is odd JPY. For this odd JPY, what I'm actually seeing here. Okay, let me just mark out this. So there is this BOS here. I'm not talking about the internal BOS. I'm talking about taking out of the external liquidity. Taking out of this external liquidity. So external liquidity. What else am I looking out for? I want to see where price like unmitigated zone and I want to see an inducement before that unmitigated zone. So I have this POI here, and I have this here. This inducement towards it. So let me just check my 4 hours time frame to see the structure around that zone. Yeah, as you can see, there is an FUG even on 4 hours too. So I'll be waiting for price to actually pull back to that zone, and I can execute the trade. Normally this high is also available for mitigation, but let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So I have on 4 hours there is this FUG here. On 4 hours there is an FUG, and it is a protected eye to taking out this liquidity zone. For a swing trade, that eye, this eye is for a swing trade, but I'm still looking at the one below it too. So let's see how it goes. If we have a pullback toward that zone and I have my confirmation, then but that's all I can see for now on the chart. So I'm going to move on to other pairs to see if we can spot anything. So for USDJPY, the high I was expecting the price will actually pull back to. Price did not get there. Price did not get there. So price is just selling. So price has already taken out the external liquidity, and it is still selling. So I don't have much on this USDJPY for now. For now, I don't have much. Okay, yeah. What I can spot on USDJPY right now, based on 4 hours time frame, is this. I have this low here being taken out. That is the liquidity, and there is this zone below it too. Once price, I wait for price to actually get to the POI, and once there is a confirmation, we can actually execute the trade. So I'm going to be buying from that area. I'm taking a buy from that area. So let me go to 1 hour time frame. So that's why I say that it will be a kind of inter switch between um 1 hour time frame, 4 hours. So it's going to be a top down analysis. So that's 1 hour from that zone. From that zone. So we have inducement before that POI, and we have our um area of interest. So once we have a mitigation and we belong in. So let me check the odd JPY again to see if we have similar setup on 4 hours time frame. You can see the structures are different. So the one The structure I have on USD JPY, like it's like a perfect setup for me, like a perfect setup. What I'm actually looking out for. So I will keep an eye on USD JPY. I will keep an eye on USD JPY. I will keep an eye on USD JPY to see what price is going to do and to see if we are going to have a buy opportunity. Once I have a confirmation, then I will be taking the buy. So let's keep going. Okay, let me just take a screenshot. For GBP JPY, let me check the 4 hours. Okay, for GBP JPY, okay, I want to check something on 4 hours. Okay, so this is available as a liquidity. So let me go back to my 1 hour time frame. Okay, yeah, this is the POI. Why is it valid? We have this liquidity graph here, and we have AUG before it. Yeah, that's it. So for GBP JPY, I'll be looking for opportunity to actually buy on GBP JPY as well. Just like USD JPY, we already have our POI being marked out. So and once I have the confirmation from that zone I marked out, so I'll be looking for. Once I have the confirmation, I'll be taking the long. Yeah, we take it up again. Take it up. So I keep an eye on GPGPY as well for the long. I missed this trade on gold yesterday. Ah, mad though. Like yesterday, I was saying, that's why you need to always take an action. Don't just say like this thing will happen without taking an action. It's action that actually brings out the results. When I saw this, I was like, okay, gold has already done SBR, stop loss on break of structure, liquid break of structure and return to other block. That once we after having that break of structure and we have this second break of structure, the first one change of character break of structure, yeah. So I expect the price will come back to this POI, to this area, and continue to buy. So what happened was that I did not set a limit. I did not call the signal. As you can see, it's already buying massively. So no wahala. What I'm actually expecting on gold is that it should take out this particular high as a liquidity and mitigate the POI above it. So and continue the sell. But let me check the 4 hours to see the price action we have there. So it aligns with what I have on my 1 hour time frame. So I'm still expecting that reaction. I wait for confirmation of 5 minutes. Once I have the confirmation, then I'm taking the opportunity. Euro USD, what I'm still expecting on Euro USD hasn't happened though. Price has not gotten to my POI. I'm still expecting price moving to that POI. The same thing on GBP USD as well. Odd USD, I don't have much on odd USD. For NSD USD, price has actually gotten to the POI. It took out, it did not mitigate the order block. It's only like took out the, what is it called, the inducement. After taking out the inducement, then it's sold and it's the final target. So this is what I can actually see on NSD USD. So expecting that this will be taken out as a liquidity. So let me check the 1 hour time frame. You can see the eye. Yeah, I have this BOS here. So I'll be waiting for a short opportunity on NSD USD. For Euro odd, okay, you don't really have much on Euro odd. You don't really have much on Euro odd. Euro NSD, the trade I hit SL on, that was on Monday. So I had to go back and study what really happened, and oh my god. So exactly what happened. So this trade was actually an oversight. I did not check the 4 hour time frame to know what, like, to see if it aligns with 1 hour time frame. That was why I actually hit the SLA. So I've learned that lesson too. So I'm still expecting that price will actually take out this external liquidity. I'm still expecting that this is the final target. So let's see how it goes. For Euro GBP, like this Euro GBP, as you can see, it is selling. So this is 4 hours time frame. Although I'm expecting a buy from this zone, as a result of that inducement before the POI here, so I'm expecting a buy. And prayer is coming from that supply zone. But I just want to be somehow careful on this trade because to me right now it is a bit somehow, although what I'm going to consider to as that validating that buy for me is that there is a transfer of money here. You can see these chips here, so I'm still expecting that price should go higher for a mitigation around this area. Take out this high as an inducement for a mitigation above it. So that's what I'm still expecting. That's what I'm anticipating on this. That's what I'm anticipating on this. So take out that high, feed the FPG, mitigate the zone above it, and then I can expect another sell. So this is my anticipation on this. Euro card, similar thing happened on Euro card and HSL on that too on Monday. So what I'm actually expecting on this, looking at this now, I can see this POI and this inducement before it. This is actually what I'm expecting on Euro card. I have these BOS. I have these BOS here, and there is another BOS here too. So between the two BOS, there is an FEG. So I'm expecting price taking out that high, mitigate fill the FEG and mitigate that zone and continue the sell. So this is what I have on Euro card. This is what I have on Euro card. So you can see that I'm using 4 hours time frame. What I discover is that the 4 hours and the 1 hour time frame needs to align for me to have a better performance. Even though I execute my trade on 5 minute time frame, waiting for a confirmation, but making sure that 4 hours and 1 hour align is one of my winning edge. So for GEP card, yesterday I actually took a trade on GEP card, and this is exactly the trade. Why did I take the trade? I have this BOS, this second BOS, and I have this I available as a liquidity, which was actually taken out. And above that I, there is an FUG. So that's why I took the trade. For GPNSD, it has already hit the final target, and I missed this trade actually. Following the same rule, we have this BOS, this second BOS, and above this I is an unmitigated zone. Like you are going to see that clearly on 1 hour. There is an AVG there on 1 hour time frame. There is an AVG. You can see the AVG. So I already know that this I is available as a liquidity, mitigate that zone and final target hit. GEP odd. I also eat SL on GEP odd, although I deleted the limit. So that's why I said my 1 hour and 4 hours must align. Looking at this, I really have one bill. Even it's not a bill, it's just a supply zone on 4 hours. But check the 1 hour time frame, the break of structure. So what I just like you can see a break of structure. You can see this load too being taken out and you have that in this way. So what I actually observe is that once the 4 hours and the 1 hour time frame align, like the break of structure is visible on 4 hours and even the FVG too. Like there is tendency for it to actually play out well. This is NSD card. I'm also expecting the same reaction of NSD card. I have this BOS here on 4 hours. I have another BOS here too on 4 hours. So I'm expecting that price should take out this high. There's an NVIDIA above it, and after taking out that high, then I have this. Take out this high, then I have this POI available to be mitigated. Then we continue the circle again. Take the sell. So this is what I have on NSD card. So where this buy is actually happening from is a breaker block on 4 hours. A breaker block on 4 hours, as you can see. So let's go to 1 hour time frame to check. Mhm. On 1 hour we have this breaker block. So that's where the buy actually happened from. And what time? Wow, I wasn't on charts around this time. Maybe I could have taken that buy. I wasn't on charts. So USDCHF. I actually okay. Wow, I called a signal on this USDCHF, and what made me to be like, okay, we have this break of structure here on 4 hours, break of structure, and we have this engineer liquidity. You can see below that engineer liquidity we have FEG. So when price mitigate mitigate that zone on 1 hour time frame, I waited for a confirmation entry. I waited for a confirmation entry, but I missed the trade on 5 minute time frame. So this is the confirmation entry. S SBL liquidity and stop loss on split of special return to that block. But price did not pick my entry and it did I was actually expecting that price should go and take out the external liquidity, but price like respected the bearish order flow. So this actually did 6 hours. Right now I don't really like as price is moving like respecting that this high, there is a tendency for it to invalidate to take out this low because it is still following bearish order flow. Still following bearish order flow. So this my previous like the strategy I normally use is this. I have this BOS here, I have this second BOS, I have the liquidity graph. Okay, this did not take out the low before the liquidity, but this is a protected high though. So that's why it is respecting it and there's tendency for it to invalidate this. So let's keep on checking. Let me check EOCHF For EOS HF, I actually took this trade yesterday, although I've closed the trade. You can see EOS HF, like following the same rule, we have these viewers and I have this I here available as an inducement and price has already tapped into like on 1 hour time frame. Price has already tapped into my POI. So and we have that you can see this low being taken out, this low also being taken out, and we have this FVG above this high. So when price got there, like I actually use 1 hour time frame for the analysis, and when I saw that it aligns with 4 hours, so it is a kind of good trade for me. It's coming from this mitigation here, so BOS, inducement and FUG. So upon getting a confirmation, I entered the trade. I entered the trade, um even though the spread was somehow. For USD card, I don't really have much on USD card. DEPCHF, I don't have much on DEPCHF. Odd CHF. This is just the funniest thing I've ever seen. Look at what it means to hit final TP and boom, it came for the SL. So Euro JPY, let me check this as well. Euro JPY, yeah, we have this here. We have engineer liquidity before that POI, and the engineered liquidity has already been taken out. Price is already at my POI. Let me check the 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is the actual POI. You can see it took out the liquidity. Normally, I could have taken this trade on 1 hour time frame. So that's it. We have that, and so price has not really gotten to the POI on 1 hour time frame. So I'm still waiting. So I'll be on the chart waiting for this to actually give me a confirmation that it wants to sell. So once I have that confirmation, then I'll be taking the buy. So I'm anticipating a buy on USD JPY, GEP JPY, and Euro JPY. So I'm anticipating a buy on the three. So similar things happening on card JPY. Similar things also happening on card JPY too. So I will keep an eye on this place to see if we are going to have a better entry. I think I'm going to stop here. Okay, before I stop, I can spot this POI on 4 hours time frame. this POI and 4 hours time frame. So I'll be checking through to see if you are going to have a better entry opportunity to actually pick the trade. So in short, these are my personal bias on these players. If you are also to take the trade, just make sure you apply proper risk management. Remember, this is not a financial advice, just my own personal bias. So be careful of what to trade. You can actually lose your money. Thanks for joining me today. Have a blessed and profitable day.